Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering another SSAT math question. Let's begin. The question says, if x is a positive number and y is equal to 1 over x, as x increases in value, what happens to y? A, y increases. B, y decreases. C, y is unchanged. D, y increases then decreases. E, y decreases then increases. So we're told that y is equal to 1 over x. Essentially, this means we put in a value for x and it will give us a new value for y. However, we're told in the question that the value for x must be positive. So, the best way to work this out is to use some examples. Let's start with x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1. Now let's try with a number bigger than x, which let's try 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 over 2, which is a half. Now let's take a bigger step. Let's say x is equal to 10. Y is equal to 1 over 10, which is 0.1. So we can clearly see that as x is increasing, y is decreasing. But let's make sure, let's go the other direction. Let's say a number less than 1 but still positive. For example, a tenth. If x is equal to 1/10, y is equal to 1 over 1/10. To work this out, we just do the bottom number times by the top number. 10 over 1, or 10. So, as x decreases, y increases, which goes along with what we were saying before about as x increases, y will decrease. So the answer is B, y decreases. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.